This is Divya from Branch, Aeronautical Department, Section A, roll number 209518211. Here to present you an concept video on Python expressions evaluation. Subject Python programming. Python expressions evaluation. In order to understand Python expression evaluation, we need to know what are Python expressions. Python expressions. Expressions are representations of value. They are different from statements. In fact, that statements do something while expressions are representations of values. For example, any string is also an expression since it represents some value of a string as well. Python has some advanced constructs through which you can represent values, and hence these constructs are also considered as expressions. There are basically main three expressions which we can create. First comes identifiers. Any name that is used to identify a class, function, variable, module, or object is an identifier. Literals. These are language independent terms in Python and should exist independently in any programming language, not only just in Python. In Python, there are string literals, byte literals, integer literals, floating literals, point literals, and imaginary literals. Then comes operators. In Python, you can implement the following operations using corresponding tokens, which are considered as operators. Python expression evaluation. In simple terms, evaluate function runs the Python code, which is passed as an argument within the program. Consider a program and this eval code is used to run a program inside a program. Evaluation is used to make an argument inside a code. It helps to make code easy, edit or exchange without any complications and to avoid garbage values or errors. Syntax of evaluation expression eval is eval.expression, global equals to none, local equals to none. Eval equals to in parentheses. Yeah. Parameters of evaluation, eval expression. Evaluation consists of three major parameters. Expression, the string phrased and evaluated as a Python expression. Globals, a dictionary which consists inside the Python. Locals, a mapping object. Dictionary is standard and commonly used as mapping type of object in Python. Return val from eval. The eval in parentheses method returns the result evaluated from the expression. Some examples of using eval function in Python programming. Here I have taken an example in order to print sum of next corresponding integer. X equals to int of input giving x a value. String I am providing a value, providing it as expression. Print eval x plus 1. Here eval runs the code inside the integer. If we place input 1, we get output 2. Here eval function evaluates the expression x plus 1 and print is used to display the value as we know. Then I have taken the practical example to demonstrate use of eval. Now here I have written a code in order to find the perimeter and the square of a given expression. Here I have defined first the perimeter as def calculate perimeter of L. Here L represents the length. Return 4 into L. Area of square def calculate area returns L into L. Expression equals to input type a function for L in range 1, 5. If expression equals to calculate the perimeter, print if length is L, perimeter equals to eval expression. Here eval expression is used to explain the code inside. Elif. We are doing this using if and elif, and else. Expression equals to calculate area, print if length is L, area equals to, and we get eval expression. Print wrong if function is not given. Then while typing output, we get type a function, calculate area L equals to. If in type a function as input, we took calculate area L. If length is 1, area is 1. If length is 2, area is 2. Here, in above code, we have used eval function in order to explain and define the supports of if and elif statements. The above code is programmed to find the area. As I mentioned, area to be function, and if I give perimeter, it would represent me the perimeter in similar way. Now, some points we need to look after while using eval function. While you consider a situation where you are using Unix system, that is Mac OS or Linux, which are usually used in industries, you have to import the OS module. But while importing the OS module, as it provides a portable way to use operating system functionalities like reading or writing to file, if you allow users to input a value using eval input, the user may use commands to change the file or even delete all the files using the command, which may lead to delete of the code as well. Now we'll end this session. Thank you.